Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how to separate date, month, year in MS Excel. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the MS Excel file, and here you can see the date, and here you can see some of the dates like 25th of October 1985 and 14th of March 1962, 30th of April 2024, and so on. Okay, so here you can see some of the dates here. Okay, and suppose now if you want to separate the date, month, and year. Okay, for example, so here you can see the date is 25 and the next one is 14 and the next one is 30th. Okay, so there are so many dates here. Okay, and suppose if you have more than 250 or more than 500 or thousands of dates, you cannot keep typing the dates one by one like this. Okay, so that becomes a very tedious task and it becomes a very much time consuming. Okay, so it doesn't make sense like typing one by one date like this. Here you are checking the date and typing like this. Okay, because here the date is also there, month is also there, and year is also there. Okay, so I will tell you some of the simple method. Some of the simple method means I will tell you one of the simple method like where you can separate the date, month as well as the year. Okay, suppose if you have only one or two columns, one or two rows means you can just simply type like this and you can just finish your work. Okay, so now there are so many dates here, so there are more than around 10 dates are here. Okay, and suppose if you want this work to be done in fraction of seconds means what you can do is like you can just use some of the formula where you can separate the day, month as well as year. Okay, so now let's try to separate the date first. So first what I will do is like first I will try to separate the day. Okay, so I want to separate it from this particular row and I will just close it. So here you can see the date is 25 and it's the date is 25 from this particular day. Okay, so now I will just try to drag it. So here you can see all the day are separated from this particular day. Okay, similarly if you want for the month means you can just type it here, month, and open the bracket and you can just select it here and again you can close the bracket. So here you can see the month is 10th of month, that is October, and here you can see all the months are separated from this particular date. Similarly for the year, what you can do is like you can just type is equal to year, open the bracket and you can just select it and again close the bracket. So now select this and drag it till wherever you want. So here you can see from this particular date, day, month, year has been separated and you can see all the columns are having only the day or only a month or a year. Okay, suppose if you want this particular all the three rows with the border means you can just go here and you can just select all the borders. So this looks very pretty good so that we can see the day, month and year. Okay, so now I will tell you one more case, like suppose if you are given like this, like the day, month, year, and if you are given a task like whether you want all the columns to be merged with like this particular day, month, year. Okay, so typing one by one date, it becomes a tedious tasks and it becomes very much time consuming like this typing one by one. Okay, so now I will tell you one of the simple formula like where you can get all the day, month, year in a single column. Okay, so do is like you can just type is equal to date, then open the bracket, then here you can type the year, comma, month, select month, comma, day. Then you can close the bracket, then you can just press the enter. So here you can see the date is in the correct format, 25th of October 1985. So here you can see the same date. Okay, so now you can just select this and you can just drag it like this. So here you can see all the three columns in one column, and we have merged all the day, month, year in one column, and you can see the perfect date here. Okay, so this is how you can separate the date to day, month, year, and if you want to merge all these three columns into one column and you want the perfect day, means you can just follow this. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.